y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. In yesterday's video, I showed you how to add the Facebook Messenger from your business page to your website so that your website visitors can contact you instantly through Facebook Messenger. And I promised you today that I would show you how to install a chatbot inside that messenger so that you can actually walk your customer through a sales process or something as simple as just directing them where you want them to go. The cool thing about this that Facebook doesn't offer is the ability to subscribe your customers to your chatbot list as soon as they send you a message. If you're not using the chatbot tool, you will not capture them as a subscriber to be able to then retarget them with emails or text messages or messages inside of Messenger. So let's go ahead and enter the professional Messenger chatbot and let's get started building our chatbot. So let's click enter. And the first thing that we need to do is connect our Facebook page. Now, I have some pages already connected to a chatbot, but I don't have my personal business page because I wanted to create a new chatbot with you and walk you through the process. So let's go ahead and import our Facebook page, and then we'll just click Add Page. So now I have my Bridget Bartlett business page connected. So let's go ahead and now we need to create a flow. So if you want an in-depth tutorial on creating chatbots, I'm not going to do that today because that can be several videos long. There are so many things that you can do with a chatbot, and you can actually access some in-depth training here in the knowledge base by simply clicking into the knowledge base and searching for chatbot. And you'll see there are some boot camps here. There's some getting started with Facebook chatbots, lots and lots of training to help you walk through all of the steps from beginner to really complicated chatbots. And actually, I want to show you an example of one of the things that we have available here. So if you click on flows, you'll see import public flow, and you'll see that there is a chatbot created here for Builderall. You can also see there's an onboarding process chatbot here, a lead generation chatbot, an automation answer chatbot, and a test flow. So if you look at how complicated this is, I just want to show you what the possibilities are. So let's go ahead and we'll just import this Builderall lead generation chatbot, and let's go ahead and click edit and just see how it looks. So you'll see here there are lots and lots of steps to this chatbot. So if we move it over here, you can see it looks incredibly complicated, but this is a powerful, powerful tool to have for your business because this takes the place of a salesperson. This can replicate what you would do in person in an automated way. So you can really streamline your process as well as you can pre-qualify your customers simply by using a chatbot. By the time they get to the end, they will have answered all the questions and basically worked themselves through the process to get to the point where they're ready to talk to you or sign up, whatever your business model is. So this is a much more complicated chatbot, even though it's so simple. You just simply click on the box here, and I'm going to show you how to create a really simple chatbot to help you get familiar with the process, and then you can work your way up to something like this. So let's go back to flows here, and we just want to create a new flow. So we're going to call this Bridget Bartlett business page and submit. Now, I want you to keep in mind, though, when you are creating this chatbot, yesterday we installed the messenger on our website. And I mentioned how important it is to keep in mind that the customer who sees this chatbot inside Facebook Messenger is going to see it when they're on your Facebook page, and they're also going to see it on your website. So if you just create a simple chatbot directing them to your website, that's great on Facebook. But when you're on your website, if you're directing them to the website again, that's not helpful to them. It kind of puts them in this circle where they're not getting the answers or the help that they're looking for. So keep that in mind when you're creating this. Okay, so the first step that we want to do, you see that we are automatically on the first step here. We need to choose Do we want to create some simple text here? Text with buttons? Do we want to create text with image and buttons? Do we want to do a quick reply, add an attachment like a video? Or do we want to do one-time notification subscription, send SMS, mailing boss email collection? You can also do a delay, or you can actually put up those three little dots that show that the user is typing. There's lots of options. And again, I don't want to go too detailed in this because I don't want to overwhelm you. I want to show you how you can jump in here today with no prior experience and create a really simple chatbot for your website and Facebook Messenger and help you save some time. So the first thing that I want to do, that I usually do here, is just add text with image and buttons. So let's go ahead and just click here to add that. Now you see that it says the standard message or carousel. We're just going to choose standard just to make it simple. And then we're going to type in a welcome message. So let's just go ahead and type, "Welcome, how can I help you?" Then down here, we can add some personalization. So we can say, use their first name or their last name. I like to use the first name just because it makes it feel like they're being responded to on a personal level by using their name. So let's just go ahead and choose their first name. We need to delete this here. So we'll just say, "Please choose from the options below to help me better assist you." Now we can choose a file. Now let's go ahead and save because we don't want to lose anything that we've already done here. So we can choose a file, and I just simply like to choose my profile picture. So let's go ahead and look for that here. Okay, so now we need to add a button. Now, what I like to do is to make this so simple, you can add up to 3 buttons. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add the 3 buttons, and that is what my entire chatbot is going to be. Just the simple, direct them to 3 different places. Let's go ahead, and it looks like I need to save this again. Looks like I need to upload my image again. And we'll just go ahead and click save again to make sure we've saved it. And now we need to choose which buttons. There are 3 options that we want to direct them to. Now, I have a website, I have a Facebook page, I have all kinds of social media, but for this purpose, what I want to do is first direct them to my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and add YouTube. You can choose the action here, so you can add a URL, you can have them call you, you can go to another step, you can start a completely new flow depending on whatever they click here. You can have them subscribe to a list, or you can have them unsubscribe. So let's go ahead and we're just going to send them to a URL because again, I just want to show you how to do this really simply. Okay, so now the YouTube channel, when I send them to a YouTube channel or any time I am giving someone the link to a YouTube video, I always like to add a special code at the end because this code allows them to, it will basically prompt them to subscribe if they are not already a subscriber as soon as they go to the channel. So it's simply $sub_confirmation equals and 1. Just pasting this simple code at the end of any YouTube video or the end of the link to your YouTube channel will give that little box to prompt to subscribe to your channel. So that's just an additional tip. We can add a tag here. So in our subscriber list, if we wanted to send out notifications to people who have subscribed through our messenger to the YouTube channel or clicked on this link, we could add this here. So let's go ahead and add YouTube subscriber. And we'll click submit. So now every time that button is clicked, then it will tag them as a YouTube subscriber. And let's just go ahead and save. So now you see it says YouTube subscribe. So I'm asking them, how can I help you? Please choose from the options below to help me better assist you. And then now the first thing that I'm asking them to do is subscribe. So let's go ahead and now we want to send them to the website. So let's go ahead, we'll click the button, we'll come up here and we'll say visit my website. And then again, we want the action to be a URL, and we'll just go ahead and I will type in my website here. So we'll just replace Builderall with visionmarketinganddesign.com. Now we can tag them here and we'll say website and submit. And we'll save that there. Now we need one more button. So what else do I want to send them to? So I like to, let's go ahead and save first. And I like to actually have them contact me via WhatsApp. But there's a trick to that because you don't want people to just be able to call you on WhatsApp, okay? Because there's lots of spam and everything. And in Builderall, we have a really cool tip or a really cool tool to be able to help you weed out the people who are spam and also to help me better know when I get a message on WhatsApp that they came through this messenger and that's how they contacted me. So let's actually get the link here for the WhatsApp, and we can do that by going back to the Builderall back office. We can click on affiliates here, and you want to go to the funnels. So let's go Builderall funnels. And here we are, we're in the affiliate center where we have the Builderall funnels. And if you look here, you see lead generator. And what I want to do is choose WhatsApp. Now, the cool thing about this here is you can put your WhatsApp phone number and then you can put a message. So this is going to be the message that shows up first when someone contacts you. So here's what I like to do. I like to put my WhatsApp phone number in here, and then I want to type a message like this. Hi, I'm contacting you through Facebook Messenger and I'm interested in getting more info about your business. Now, when I get this message, I know that they are on the Facebook Messenger and contacting me that way. So that's really important because I can change this link to be from my email so that I can say I'm contacting you through your email. So I know that this person is already a subscriber in my emails, and it helps me to better know where this person is contacting me, what information they have seen so far, if they are a member already, or if they're just spamming me. So this is a very valuable tool that I use in many, many ways. So let's go ahead and click Get Link. Now this link here is what I can add to a button, what I can add to that chat bot, but it will go directly to my WhatsApp and it will give me this message here and then anything that they want to add to it. So I just really love this, and it's such a small little golden nugget that's just hidden away in the affiliate section. So let's go ahead, we can click here to copy the link, and let's go back to our chat bot. And we will change this button here. We'll say, and we will keep this a URL instead of call because we have the link. So let's just go ahead and we are going to paste that link here. And we will add a tag here and we'll just say WhatsApp and submit and then save. Now, there are so many other things. I really encourage you to dive in here and really get a good idea of all of the many possibilities and ways that you can use this to automate your marketing to better serve your customers, but also save you time. And you see how quickly I just created this. This is a great chatbot that's going to definitely save me time, also help to weed out a lot of the spam that I get, which is a lot. But you can see how quickly I created that. And this will definitely get you started. And as you get more familiar with chatbots and the way that it all works, you'll start adding steps and different flows and really make it a bigger, beast, basically, like the one that I just showed you that we could import. And you could also use that as a template if you want to. You can also edit that. You can do anything that you want to. But this was so simple to create. So now that we have this, let's go ahead and click Save again. And now we need to connect this chatbot to our Facebook page Messenger. Okay, so let's go ahead and we need to choose Automation. And we're just going to select a page. So I'm going to select the Facebook page that I want that message to be on. And inside automations, we can choose a default reply. We can choose reply rules, so we can create new rules. Like if they say hello, we can say give it something to do, like start a new flow. But what we want to do is actually just immediately send them to our chatbot. So as soon as they send us a message, we want them to automatically get our chatbot message, okay? So let's go ahead and cancel. We'll just give them a welcome message and we'll say, hi, I'm so glad you reached out to me. How can I help? So let's go ahead and click save there. We can also add a get started button. So as soon as they open up our messenger, there is a prompt to get started and click a button. So we could add that here. And here is where we can connect the flow that we just created. So let's go ahead and select our flow, and then we will test this out. So let's go to our Facebook page. Let's make sure to refresh. And let's click send message and get started. And you see our chatbot automatically pops up here. Now, if you're testing this out and you've tried this multiple times and you don't see the new chatbot, you can always just come here and click the gears and delete your conversation. That way it'll start over brand new because it thinks that it's already sent the message. And now what can happen is if someone has a different question and they want to contact you personally, now they can type in this box here and still send you the message, but you've eliminated a lot of the pre-qualification or answered a lot of the questions simply by providing them these three options here. So inside the chatbot now, if you click on YouTube subscribe, it goes to my YouTube channel. You can see I've already subscribed with this account, so it's not going to prompt me to subscribe, but it would. And we see our little code up here. Let's go and test out the visit my website. And so it takes us to the website here. Let's go ahead and test out our last button. And you can see that this would automatically go to the app if they had it downloaded on their phone, or give them the option to download. And it would say, the message that was sent to me would say, hi, I'm contacting you through Facebook Messenger and I'm interested to get more info about your business. So everything is functioning properly. And our chatbot is working and ready to go. So I hope you found some value in this. I hope you learned enough to go create your very first simple chatbot so you can start building those subscribers, which you can access here through page subscribers by choosing your page. And then you'll have a list of your subscribers here. And then you'll also see your tags here. So if you wanted just the people who contacted you through WhatsApp and are tagged here, or contact Facebook Messenger, I have a lot of things because I already had a chat bot, but I wanted to replace it just so I could show you how easy that is to do. Until my next video, go build it with Builderall.